Hi! In front of me is REALME GT2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Start by going into Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in DevCheck. Then install this free app, DevCheck, Hardware and System Info, from this developer and open it. Thanks to this free app, you can find out all the information about your REALME's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!